Today, I'll show you how to use the find and replace feature in Canva, and we're going to replace the word text with texting across our entire project. Let's jump right in. As you can see, I have page 1 and page 2, and both of them have the word text somewhere in the design. Instead of manually updating each one, we'll do it all in just a few clicks. Head up to the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop down, click on Find and Replace Text. A small pop-up will appear. In the first field, type text, that's the word we want to find. And in the second field, type texting, this is what we want it to become. Now just click Replace All, and Canva will automatically update every instance of the word text across your project. It's that easy. This tool is super helpful when you're working with multiple pages and want to make global changes instantly. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.